The ab roller. Oh yeah, baby, I love this one. This is going to hit your abs nice and hard while still keeping your spine nice and neutral. It's a great way to really target those suckers without having to hunch or flex your back with crunches or sit-ups or anything. So to get into this position, I am on my knees, taking the ab roller by the hands on each side. I put it right in the middle here. My goal is to keep my spine neutral. So I'm already going to be leveraging pressure through my shoulders. So I want my shoulders blades backing down the same way I would in the push-up position. I would let my chest drop down, shoulder blades stick out a little bit, and then squeezing down towards my hips there, like I'm putting my shoulder blades in my back pockets. From there, I'm then going to let the roller roll out. I'm already immediately drawing in my abdominal muscles. The same way you would do with the plank. You're drawing your abdominal muscles as you take your arms out there, basically holding a plank form in your torso, sending it out only as far as you can keep that form and not let it go into your back. If it goes into your back or you start to lose your form, just shorten the range. So shoulders need to stay back and down, spine needs to stay neutral. Keep your head back, so a little chin tuck to keep the head back through there. It's very similar form to a push-up or a plank form. You're just adding in this rolling, sending it forward and back. And you're only going as far as you can keep that form under control. If getting all the way out here at full extension, you're still not feeling a challenge enough on your knees, then you could really take it to a next level and do it on your toes. See if I can. I haven't done this in a long time. Whoo, baby, that's my limit there. But you would go to your toes, knees off the ground, extending that as far as you're able to still control without it going to your back. So there, my form may have looked okay, but I felt it immediately. My back was locking up super tight to try and hang on to me. And if that's the point, I'm going to bring it down. That's a little too far. The pressure should really be felt intensely here in your abs and not locking up intense in your spine so much. So that there is your ab roller.